What are you going to do with all those toys? That's right, take them all out. Go ahead, you take them all out. Now what? That's
Yep.
Gizmo. Oh, that's good. Put it on the area of floor where there are no toys. That's right. Put them back. Oh, behind you. You have to spread them out evenly. That's the best way. Oh my gosh. Yeah? Now what?